My name is Альп Tunga Ersoy. I am the President of Almaty International Airport. After 2 years negotiations, TAV Airports Holding purchased Almaty Airport last year and took over operations at the airport at the end of April. Now we are investing more than $200 million to construct a new terminal building for international passengers in order to increase the capacity and provide better and high quality services for our passengers traveling to Almaty International Airport. Kazakhstan is the biggest country in the region, both economically and geographically, and Almaty is the financial center of the country, providing 20% of the GDP of entire country and located on the new modern seaway, which is connecting Asia with Europe and Africa. From the first day of our interest, we received very positive approach, both from Kazakh Invest and also other ministries, and in order to understand the rules, regulations, and doing business in Kazakhstan. And this approach, their support, increased our confidence to this country, and we decided to invest in this lovely country.